Hi all, once again welcome back to All Rounders channel. Today we are going to see about lipstick swatches. We are going to see from the dark to like nude, simultaneously for the fair skin to the all skin types, and in which brand, which shade is nice. I'll let you know about this. And it's again a makeup haul, Nykaa haul, which I bought in this period of time. The first of all, my favorite lipstick. This is one of my happiest favorite lipstick which I'm putting on now, and this is in color bar shade 1. It's priced around 950. Few times you'll get it in color bar app itself. It's in a 650, like 10% off, 20% off, and it's in a shade 1 red. It suits for all skin types, again from the dark to bright, or like fair to medium, any skin type. And this is one of my favorite, and I put on every day, and this is my third piece, I think so. And you'll get it in sharpener with this. You need to sharp it. My favorite one. And I'll do a swatch test to you. I'll show you the color. It's greasy. You can see this. It's in a matte. It's in a kiss proof Deltel, but it's light transfer proof. It's in a transfer proof actually, but it long lasts for 5 to 6 hours easily. It's not matte, and it's little glossy again, like not glossy. It's not matte and it's not glossy. It's one of the best lipstick for any dress, any color. It suits very well to any kind of face. My favorite one, it's shade number 001 red. It's color bar Take Me As I Am lip color. The next lipstick is again from color bar. These are all like affordable. It's priced around 340, and in Nykaa there was some discounts. It's 200, and I'll just put it the number in the video by the side. And this is again, it doesn't last much time. It's glossy. It's not that matte too. It's in a transfer proof. It's almost the nearer shade of my previous one. It's again pinky red, I can say. And this shade number is Peach Crush 59. This also suits for any skin type, and this is not too red, too pink. This is one of the best shade. And there was one trick to this I want to show you. You can see this, right? You can open it. There was little lipstick in it. The same lipstick they'll put in a, like for the color they put it in this. You can, with the brush you can use this. I don't know everybody know it or not. I use it whenever I buy these lipsticks. This very less cost, affordable price. You'll get it for $259, $300, and you'll get like this much quantity. You need to try for the college going girls or something like that. It lasts for 5 hours easily. I hope so. Just give a try with this. Next lipstick is again into reds. It's from Sugar. It's shade number 27 Red Flag. It's priced around $4.99. It's in a waterproof lipstick, and if you see, it's little darker than my previous colors. I almost go into this redder undertones because it suits well to me. It's little dark. You can see it's in a transfer proof lipstick. After some time it's become into matte lipstick. Next lipstick, you all know, Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick. It's priced around $295 and Nykaa I bought it for $250. It long lasts well. It doesn't has that that dryness or something like that. It's in a creepy matte. It's shade number 641. It's pink my red. It is also again the same similar shade of what I was telling you, but it's little light. This also, this also again has the same little similar pink shade this has. This is also one of my favorite again. It's affordable for the college going girls. It's one of the best lipstick I can say. Now we'll go into the nudes, little nude colors. This is in a mauve shade from Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I was like I want to get it like anything. This lockdown period I have seen many videos from the YouTube about this lipstick. It's in a 16 hours long lasting stay. Yes, it does long lasting, but not 16 hours. But after I just tried it, very nice. I put it around 8 o'clock until evening 8 o'clock. It doesn't fade. It's in a waterproof, transfer proof, and for the office going girls who are going out and everything, it's one of the best lipstick. You need not to touch up. There is no need to touch up. But only the problem is it doesn't wash out when you cleanse it. You have to use makeup remover to remove it. It's a matte lipstick and it's super dry. It makes your lips super dry. You have to apply any moisturization, any lip balm or something like that. Then again you can wipe it off for some time. Then you can apply this lipstick. You need not to dab your lips. You should not dab your lips. After the application, you just leave it to dry for 1 or 2 minutes. Then you can go on for the whole day. I'll just show you the shade number. It's Ruler 80. It's in a mauve shade, mauve pink I can say. There was another shade, Lover, in this. This is also again similar to this shade. That one also very nice. And after some time it's become super dry. You doesn't feel you put on any lipstick on your lips. It's again super. You just give a try with this. It's for the fair to medium skin tone. It looks very good. And this lipstick priced around $650. And in Nykaa there was an offer running. It's $520 at present. Just give it a try. It's 5 grams. And other lipstick is again from In Colors. I saw many reviews on Instagram about this lipstick. Seriously, if I say I doesn't know much about this, I bought it from Nykaa again. It's almost similar. It's a liquid lipstick, similar to the Maybelline Superstay. The shade is also almost similar. It's shade number 415 and it is out of stock in Nykaa at present. This shade is very nice. It doesn't make your lips dry and you doesn't feel you put on a lipstick. It's in a waterproof, transfer proof, and it's priced around $295 and at present it is just 250 rupees on the discounts. I'll just show you the shade. It's lighter than my previous one, but see, you can see the gradation, and this suits for all skin types again. Wow, 415. It's shade number 415. Super. The next lipstick will go for the Faces Canada. It's priced around again $299 There was some or other offer will be running on Nykaa. See the packaging. Almost like similar to MAC, but it's priced around $2.99. This is transfer proof. This is not much matty, and this is not waterproof too. It doesn't last long, but the shade, colors and everything, they are very nice. The few times you'll get an offer like buy one get one free in the same product. I bought the shade, it is like Royal Maroon 16. Quantity is also very less, but it is nice again. This is also similar shade like my previous ones, but it is called as Royal Maroon, but it's almost similar to shades to my previous one. Now we get into the nudes. Nudes. This is again from Faces Canada. It's Buff Nude 05. I'll show you the shade. It's $2.99. If you're going out for little time, you can just see this. Light nude mauve. It's Buff Nude. Can you see it? The next we'll go for Lakme. This is $2.95. There was some other offer running in the Nykaa again. I'll just give you the price and the details aside. It's an liquid lipstick again. Wow, I can say the shade is wow. This is Nude Twist 19. Massive reviews on this. One of the best product from Nykaa. Affordable product from Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick Lip Color. It's Nude Twist. I'll just show you the shade. And this is not transfer proof, and this is waterproof, transfer proof. Wow color, and it's almost the fair. I can't suggest to the dark, but fair to medium to almost like little undertones also they can use this. This is wow lipstick. From my first two, this is one of my favorite. These two are my favorite lipsticks. The next lipstick is from Nykaa. I don't know. I have seen many reviews on Nykaa about this and I ordered it. I'm not that satisfied of this lipstick. Shade number 48M. It's a nude shade. It doesn't last much. It's not transfer proof. It's not matte also. There was a name creamy matte. It's creamy again. It's not matte. It has very less quantity. There you can see it's very less quantity. It's a mini lipstick. I bought it. Price checker. It priced around $2.39. I think so. I have never seen discounts on it, but very less quantity. Packaging also not that great. There was some fault in it. It always removed from the top and the bottom. I'll show you the shade. It's very light nude. It's not that pigmented too. Again, it is not pigmented. This is not pigmented. My hand is full actually with all my lipsticks. Final lipstick. I just got it now. There was some offer running on Nykaa. If you shop for 1,000 rupees, you will get one lipstick free. And this is that one. I was tempted and open it, and I got this. That's not great, and this is not pigmented at all. It's in a waste product. Giving free also, it's in a waste product. See, I'll show you here. You can see pigmented here on your hand, but it is not pigmented when I put it on my lips, and it doesn't. I have two pigmented lips, but it doesn't give any shade to my pigmented lips. Waste of the product, giving for a free. It's 800 rupees, I think so. But color, shade, never buy this. This Petal Pink 201. Don't buy this. That's all for today. All my lipstick swatches you have seen. And again I'm telling you, the color bar 001 for all skin types, one of the best stick-on lipstick. If you use it for every day also, you'll get it for most longer time. And you need not to put very much. You can put very little quantity, and you can just smudge your lips. This is one of the best ones. And next one, this is now present favorite. It's Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lips color. Nude Twist 19. See you all. Stay safe. Again, I'm telling you, everything is not that good outside. Put on your mask. Cleanse your hands very well. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you.